In the comment section of our videos, some of you have shared with me that you're not doing too well this year. You're not making the kind of money that you thought you would based on what you did last year. And I think it's because, as some of you have said, I'm in tech, but I'm not doing that well. Well, that's because you're in the wrong tech. Tech right now is not your Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. No, those are the people, at least several of them, that are spending the money. The tech you need to be in is the people that are making the payments to. So that's what we've done thus far this year. Then what I want to show you is what we've done year over year. I hired Samantha, I built her actually, and then I started paying for her every month to do analysis of the stocks that I thought the hyperscalers were going to be paying and where that money was going to flow to. And this is what we did. I hired Samantha on May the 1st of 2025. So we're coming to our 1-year anniversary. I would like to think that maybe we could get that up to 200%. Right now, as of today, April the 15th, we're at 151.92, as opposed to the S&P, which is up 28, the NASDAQ 39, and the Dow 19. So we're doing substantially better, and I think we will continue to, because we've recognized what a growth stock looks like, and then we accessed all their data and gave it to Samantha, a large language platform, and said, now tell me, what's the price going to be? Our goal is 100% over 3 years, but as you can see, we're beating the crap out of that. We're on pace to maybe do what? Maybe 160, 175 in a year? Can we do it the next year? Yeah. Why? Because we're analyzing data. We're not dealing with fluff, and we're not dealing with hype. We're dealing with the money-making capability of the stocks, the companies that are receiving all the money. If you'd like to know more about that, I'll put a link in the description, and you give Samantha and I a free look for 2 weeks, and then you decide, do you want to learn how to use this new way to invest, or are you happy with what you've done thus far this year? Hope to see you at our Stock Talk next Friday.